The city of Snohomish is located at the confluence of the Pilchuck River with the Snohomish River. The first settlers to the area were the Snohomish Native American fishermen, hunters, and gatherers who were a subdivision of the Snohomish Lushootseed-speaking Native American tribe. The first European settlers began to arrive in the 1850s. By 1884, 700 people called Snohomish home. There was a courthouse, school building, 6 saloons, and 1 church in town. Originally, Snohomish was established to support the surrounding agricultural community, but soon became a logging town as well because of the area's dense forests of Douglas firs. Today, the town features a bustling downtown district full of small boutiques, wine shops, wineries, art galleries, you name it. Looking for a great cup of coffee? Stop by the Looking Glass. Looking for a glass of wine? Stop by Blanc and Rouge. Want a great bite of vegan food? Check out Grilla Bites, all located on First Street. This bustling downtown features just about anything you could ever want in a walkable, warm and friendly community. First Street runs right along the Snohomish River. The River Walk provides direct access to a trail that runs right along the riverbank. For over 100 years, the town of Snohomish has celebrated itself with the Klahaya Days, a summertime festival full of carnivals, food, fun. The Klahaya Days typically take place the 3rd week of July. Just a few minutes north of town, you'll find the area known as Machias, where the Pilchuck River flows. Along the river, the locals like to cool off in the hot summer sun. You'll also find the Centennial Trail running along the river, a trail that runs for 30 miles north, just past the city of Arlington. Come check out the putt-putt course at the Snohomish Valley Golf Center.